Hello, welcome to Angular step-by-step course. Earlier we have discussed about data binding and its types. So today we are discussing about a string interpolation. So string interpolation means in Angular you can use the interpolation to bind the data in one direction. It's called string interpolation because you can use it with the string values. For example, we can use interpolation with the double curly braces. So here we can see the examples. You can see TS file. In TS file, we can give title web development. Okay. So if you want to render this title in the UI part, you can use the curly braces with title in the here. This is title here. What we have given here, title, copy and give it here for confirmation. If there is any mislead, it may not be displayed. Yeah, so you can see here, this is web development. So this is web development. So here you have given in the TS file title only, but it reflected in the HTML part. So this is the one-way data binding. Bind the data from the component TS file to component HTML file. Some we can see some other examples also for better understanding. For example, you can give num1 with number 30, okay, and num2 with number 40. So here you can open HTML file, calculation is, you can write num1 plus num2. Yeah, so you can see, yeah, so here you can give a break tag, then it will display. Yeah, so calculation is 70. So here you have given in the TS file num1 and num2 30 and 40. It will display in the HTML, yeah, like this. And you can give some other example also. For example, you have given some multiplication you can give multi with function, you can write. So you can write the function here in the TS file. In multi you can write num1 into num2. So sorry, while we are using this keyword should be used. Okay, num1 into this dot num2, so it will display, right? Yeah, here you can give an multi multiplication is not displaying, so here you can see, yeah, in the ts file you have not given any return, you should give return here. Okay, then it will be work. So you can see, yeah, if you given some break tag here, so you can see this multiplication 30 into 40 into 30 1200. So you can see like this. This is another example for that. You can return some data also by using the function. For example, get data. Okay, get data. Okay, so you can use this get data in the ts file. So return this dot, sorry, if you want to give a string, the data from the function, so it will display, right? So if you want more clarity, you can give the break tag. Here you can see the data from the function. So this data rendered from the component ts file to component html file. This is a one-way data binding. Such type of binding is known as string interpolations. So this is the concept of string interpolation. So you can write any other examples for that. You have to practice on that. You will be get. So this is the string interpolation. Thank you so much.